gravity whether you believe in it or not. It just is, and your words are the trigger. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another video about affirmations. Great, I've heard this before. But stick with me, because we're not just going to talk about saying nice things. We're going to talk about why it works. We're going to talk about the law behind it. And this is important, so listen up. The universe operates on law, not luck, not chance, but law. Just as there's a law of electricity, there is a law of expression. Your life is not a random happening. It is an outpicturing of your inner world, of your most dominant thoughts, and, most importantly, your most frequently spoken words. Your word is your wand. You are literally casting spells all day long with your speech. Most people are casting spells for failure and lack without even realizing it. They say things like, I'm broke, I'm so bad with money, nothing good ever happens to me. And then they wonder why their reality looks so, well, broke and bad. You are decreeing a thing, and it is being established unto you. Your subconscious mind is like the most loyal, literal-minded servant in the world. It doesn't argue. It doesn't judge whether what you're saying is good for you or bad for you. It just accepts whatever you declare as truth and gets to work arranging the world to match that truth. So if your constant decree is lack, your servant, your subconscious, will faithfully deliver more lack. It's just following orders, your words. So the challenge, the core issue you're facing, isn't that you're unlucky or that the universe is against you. It's that you have a loyal servant working overtime to bring you exactly what you've been complaining about. You've been giving it the wrong instructions. You've been aligning yourself with a vibration of scarcity, and so scarcity is what manifests. It's not personal. It's just law. It works for everyone equally. The good news is, you can give new orders. You can start aligning yourself with a vibration of infinite supply. And that's where our little sentence comes in. But before we get to that, a quick word. You'll notice our videos are not 3 hours long. We don't believe in stretching a simple, powerful truth into a feature-length film just to keep you watching. We get right to the point because your time is precious, and the law is simple. It doesn't require a 6-week course to understand. It requires a shift, right now, in this moment. That's why you're here. That's why this is different. This isn't theory. This is practical, immediate spiritual mechanics. So, let's get to the practice. The key is to interrupt the old pattern of lack-based talking. You have to break the chain. And the most powerful way to do that is through consistent, deliberate repetition of a new decree. You need to bombard that loyal subconscious servant with a new set of orders so clear and so frequent that it has no choice but to drop the old project and start working on the new one. This is why we say it every hour. Not once a day, not when you remember. Every single hour. You set an alarm on your phone. You make it a game. You interrupt the old rhythm of lack and replace it with the rhythm of abundance. The sentence, the decree, the magical spell, call it what you will, is this: my infinite supply is now released and comes to me under grace in perfect ways. Let's break that down, because every word is chosen with purpose. My infinite supply. You are not claiming a little supply. You are not claiming just enough to get by. You are claiming what is inherently yours, infinite supply. Supply isn't just money. It's ideas, opportunities, connections, solutions, perfect timing. It is everything you need for your prosperity, and your joy is now released. This implies it already exists. It's not something you have to go out and grimace and struggle to create. It is already there, waiting for you. Your word is the command that releases it, like opening a floodgate, and comes to me under grace in perfect ways. This is the most beautiful part. Under grace means without struggle, without friction, without having to force it or manipulate people or situations. It comes easily, harmoniously, in ways that are good for everyone involved. In perfect ways means you don't have to micromanage the universe. You don't have to know the how. Your job is to decree the what, the infinite supply. And the universe's job is to figure out the perfect, often surprising, way to deliver it. Your only task for the next week is to say this sentence with feeling and conviction once every hour. Set that alarm. When it goes off, no matter where you are or what you're doing, you stop for 5 seconds and you say it, out loud if you can, or silently with authority if you're in a meeting. My infinite supply is now released and comes to me under grace in perfect ways. Do not just mumble it, decree it, feel it, know it. You are the one with the wand. You are giving the order. This isn't begging. This is commanding the spiritual forces of the universe to align with your good. You are not asking for supply. You are stating its arrival. This hourly repetition does 2 powerful things. First, it constantly realigns your conscious mind with the truth of abundance, pulling you out of any fearful or lack-based thought you might have been having. Second, and more importantly, it reprograms that loyal subconscious servant. After a day of hearing this new decree 16 times, it has to sit up and take notice. After a week, it will have fully accepted this as your new truth, and it will have no choice but to start orchestrating your reality to reflect it. You will start to notice things. An unexpected check in the mail, a new client appearing out of the blue, a solution to a problem that has been nagging you for months, a brilliant idea that seems to download into your mind. This is your infinite supply, coming to you under grace, in perfect ways. So here is your call to action. I want you to do this right now. Don't wait until the video is over. Pause me, look at your phone, and set an alarm to go off every hour for the rest of the day. Label it My Supply, or The Decree, or something fun. And the very first time that alarm goes off, I want you to say our sentence with power. My infinite supply is now released and comes to me under grace in perfect ways. That's it. That's the entire practice. The law will do the rest. Your words are your wand. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a master of your destiny, and it's time to start speaking like one. This is how you stop lacking. This is how you step into the flow of infinite good. The world is waiting to reflect your new decrees back to you. So go on. Start casting spells for your success, and I want to hear all about it. Tell me in the comments what happens when you start doing this. What shifts? What surprises you? What perfect ways does your supply arrive? Your stories inspire me, and they inspire everyone else here. This is a community of masters learning to use their word. And if you're ready to truly master this and never lack again, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. We're here to cut through the noise and deliver the powerful, life-changing truths you need, without the fluff. Now go on. Your infinite supply is waiting. It's time to release it.